Hello there everyone, welcome back to Digital Knowledge. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect MT4 or MT5 on TradingView. So let's get right into it. Head over to your browser and search for TradingView and go to chart. And here you'll see live trading or live chart that is going on. And here you just have to click on this button. And there's the overview of different markets, and head over to the trading panel right here. Here you will find lots of brokers that are available for your trading. And as you know that currently, if you have an MT4 or MT5 forex.com account, you can't just trading, you can log in with your MT4 MT5 account on TradingView, but trading is not available for these accounts. So yeah, you just can't do it right now. So just use one of these brokers and you will able to trade in TradingView with these. Yeah, hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.